So this is a little strange video, different from what you expect, but I thought I'd share it. I've been building up the iDATUS brand and I've created a website which has taken a very long time. I've not used themes or automatic website creation like I've done it all myself. And I thought, well, if I'm going to do videos with me in it, which I should be doing in the future or when I'm doing unboxing or something like that, I'm going to need to start wearing stuff with my brand. So I designed a brand and I went to a printers and I've got a few things sorted. I haven't actually seen them yet. So I thought I'd share with you what I've ordered and to basically get comments, see what you think. And I'll be, well, let's go and get the box. Let's stop messing about. Ooh, it's a little bit heavy, but not overly. Didn't order that much. It's amazing how cheap we can get a few things. Oh, there's got an address on that one. So what's in here? Oh, right, okay. Here we go. Oh, right, so one bag, one little box, and one. There's what's in there. Oh. And a t-shirt, well, sweatshirt actually, to be precise. Right. Okay, so first things first. I bought 10 pens. I've always wanted pens, and I thought, well, the more you buy, the cheaper it gets. I thought it was one for me, one for my mum, one for my sister, blah, blah, blah. So let's go and have a look. Oh. They're not cheap, because they're supposed to be premium. Hey! You know what that means? Oh, and there we go. I bought 10 all the way. I haven't already said it. Yes, very nice. Can you see that? I don't know if you can or can't. I'll just put my hand around there. Alright, I'll see more of it later. There's 10. Cool. Yep, sturdy pen. Right, and I thought, well, I like having drinks, you know. Chocolate and whatnots. Want to do videos, and I thought, well, I could have something sitting on the table while I'm drinking. Nice colour. You can have all sorts of colours. And there is my logo. Yeah, couldn't have a different colour than white, I'm afraid. And I thought, well, I'll do one at the top, one at the bottom. So now I can put it in the picture like that. Self-promoting and all that. Plug in your own channel, I think that's okay. And I thought, well, anybody who's anybody seems to have a nice sweatshirt. Not t-shirts, I've never got a sweatshirt with the logo on. Yay! Not too bad actually. Just going to put that down for you to see. Ooh, can't quite see it yet, can you? There we go. What do you think of that then? Let's go and erase the logo. I'm going to go and put it on. See what you think. Not bad. And what that's saying there, it's an iDATUS logo, obviously. It's YouTube/iDATUS or iDATUS.tech. Right. I'm just going to go and put it on. I'm going to sit over there with it on. And yeah, think for yourself if it was worth it. I was thinking about getting an iron-on transfer, but I thought, I'm never going to get it straight. I'm going to ruin whatever it is that I bought the thing with. So, a minute. Oh, let's try and work out how to actually wear a sweatshirt. Yeah, of course I know, isn't it? Now, whether I'm actually going to go downtown parading in it, I don't know. Pens. I've also got to create 2 videos with me wearing this. Ooh, fits perfect. Good job I've gone for the meatier size. So just hold on a second. Yeah, I think you can. Just going to see if I can alter this camera a second. Hold on a second. There you go there. Yes, I'm using that nice new tripod. I did a review the other day with it. Check it out. There you go. Yeah, don't like having my face on, but I suppose you've got to at least. Oh, that's better. So, you know, cheers up and all that. Oh, what do you think of that? Oh, should bring me. I was thinking about no. Okay, so yeah, I do need these. I'm at an age. So, tell me what you think. Hopefully, you'll see me wearing this a bit more than I am already. I quite like it. It's nice to have my own logo finally. And if anybody's interested in where I got all this from, it seems to be a global company and how to do it, let me know. I'll point you to it. Thanks for watching. Bye.